Hey guys, it's Twilight and today I'm going to play Minecraft Pocket Edition 14.0 Beta 3. I'm going to show you my version. Wait, what's that sound? Okay. Okay. This is my auto wheat farm. I already made it, so it's on chest. The second invention is a TNT launcher, which caused all of this destruction. Look at that. This is a lovely one. So, let's get to the third one. This is a vending machine that seems there's no stick. So let me get an ingot and a stick. I put some stick into the dropper and I throw in some of the iron and some all. I will throw my face the meat. Lovely meat. This is awesome. So, for the fourth one, the on and off light. This is off, now on. Now off again. Awesome. Now this is a doorbell for your house. Awesome. So you can hear your friends ring the doorbell and open the door for them. So isn't it awesome? Today I'm going to show you only one tutorial. I'm going to show you how to build the vending machine. This vending machine. So, all you need is a block of your choice. Redstone dust, a redstone repeater, a redstone comparator, a dropper, a hopper, and a redstone torch. By starting this, you shall break 3 blocks to the bottom. 3 blocks to the bottom. 3 wide, 7. Just like this. 2, 3, 4. Wait, I don't remember. Yes, 4 wide and 3. Sorry for the lag. Okay, now I forgot, you need a chest too. Where's the chest? So put your chest here and get a hopper. Put 2 hoppers on top of the chest. And then let's get your block again. So I don't mess this up. Put a redstone comparator and a repeater there. And put a redstone dust here. Put 1 block on top and put 1 block on the side. Put the restaurant repeater. This and restaurant on top of this. Put another block on top of the redstone torch. Put another block on top of this one. Then touch the side of the redstone torch and just follow what I built now. And put 3 redstones. After that, go inside first. Get a redstone block. Put it on this side, beside the comparator. Put the redstone dust on top. Then put a redstone comparator. Flick it on. Put 1 redstone dust there. And redstone repeater over this side. Let me check if that's right. Okay, that's right. Now put a dropper. Put a dropper in front of the block that you put redstone on top. Get your block of choice and cover it up for like this. Then you need to go down and get what you want. Put I will get gold and take that. Put it in the second hopper that is on top of this chest and put all the gold in there. And put the bed. Take another bed. Until it's full. Okay, you shall hear that sound. So, what we need now is an item frame, the food of your choice. I'm gonna get the golden apple. Sneak, put it there. Put the golden apple. Touch the back of it. Put all the golden apple in there. And then take the gold ingot, throw it to the hopper, and voila, it's done.